USB has been blocked. If you are facing this problem, I will show you how to solve this. Simply Ctrl Alt Delete to restart. Then go to the BIOS. Press F2 to enter the BIOS. And go to the boot option. By default, secure boot will be enabled. You should disable it to boot with the pen drive. Press F10 and enter. I plugged the Windows 10 USB bootable pen drive. Press F12 to enter. Now Windows 10 installation has been started. Okay. Thank you.